Want an aesthetic or colorful effect like this? What's up guys? Halloween edits here. Let's go. First, open a new project. Input shape. Circle shape. Then, we cut it, so it's not too long. Then click borders and shadows. Click this. Then make the color white. At the beginning we make it 40, then at the end we make it 0. For graphs just leave it straight. Then we exit, and enter into move and transform. Then click zoom. In zoom, we make it small at first or 0. Then at the end we enlarge it until it looks like this. Well, follow the zoom chart like me. Now we exit. Then we enter the coloring on the left like this. Then we slide the one below to the left, so that the yellow or the middle becomes transparent. And done. Now we can use this according to our creativity in AMV. Thank you. Subscribe to Edits.